Yo, guten Morgen. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Mein Name ist Viggy und ich mache Videos, mostly of Yiddish. Before we fangt an the heutige Video, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing. Das helpt mich in the channel out tremendously. And nobody can werden a channel member, that would help even better. Even more. Bevor we fangt an will ich sagen, das nicht. Absolutely nicht. Financial advice. Wenn dem Vorteil im du als er sagt. Der Market hat weggenommen alles, wo die hast, nicht gechillig, wie sie die heißt. Ich bin nicht kein Trading School. Ich bin nicht kein Trader. Ich bin nicht Git. Kick mich an, also wie ein Kind oder ein Adult, du spielst Lego. Spiel mich stammer so herum. So, please. Do not copy trade. Und auch einmal bei Mistake sage ich, kauf etwas, ist es ein Mistake. Alright, let's get into it. Sam. First, good morning. How you doing? 9:01 in the free. 29 minutes bis the money-making machine is turning up. Sam. How you doing? Was geht for? Jack. Guten Morgen. I didn't get the joke on your status. Why was mad his wife? You can explain it to me, please. Nope. If you didn't get it, it wasn't for you. It's that simple. If you don't get it, it's okay. We don't need to get everything. Ich hab auch nicht alles. So don't take it as, oh man, ich habe es nicht gehabt. You'll get the next one. Don't you worry about it. A comedian sucht nicht über seine Jokes, a magician macht nicht über seine Tricks zweimal. Tricks, so wie Jonas in Schwarz sucht. Es sind nicht Black Magic, es sind Tricks. Bitcoin, ich gebe mir ein Setzel, 88,000. Nicht kein Financial Advice, aber ich denke, ich habe gesagt, dass geht umkommen zu 76, 73, 76 area. We will see you guys there. So hat nicht die erste Line du auf 88, 86. Und bei Brecht 86, all the way down to 73-ish. Ist er auch gekommen testen? 87. Meine zu sagen. But Jack, how you doing otherwise? I sag mal Jokes, nitz man jiddische Wörter, wo es meint anders in Yiddish, immer kann es, wie ist der richtige Wort? Man kann es ausstatschen auf Englisch. You know what I mean? Wait till Zach comes in hot. Coming in hot. Yeah, Zach the pot starter. But yeah, Bitcoin. 74, 73,000. Brooklyn. Guten Sie Morgen. How you doing? Guten Sie Morgen. Scheint zu sein, du Hand in der Früh. Schkoichfahren machen dann zu früh mit Viggy. Everything is good. CG. Guten Sie Morgen. How you doing? How was your night? I hope you slept tight. I hope es nicht gab a größer Fight. Although, ich habe geholt von einer Fax in Hanse Free auf meinem Walk hat der Faxel durchgelaufen. A Faxel. I was like, oh my God, baby fox. How many more got from the mom? Does it make sense that some words aren't being sent? Not that I know of. Zach. Geht morgen, Zach. עזוב את הגז. זק, עזוב את הגז. A link also not? What do you mean? What am I missing? What am I missing? 9:06, 24 minutes in market. F&M. Bis the cash grab is opening up. Joking. It's all paper trading. Okay, it's not financial advice. Okay? Hoe de gier weiß. So het nechten vermacht war 36 cents and had it up at $1.29. $1. YouTube don't let send words and links. Das hat nicht up zu mir. So I don't know. Ich habe gesehen, dass ich kann machen, wir sollen nicht schicken ein paar Wörter. Like, ich kann anlegen, welche Wörter ich will. Oh, now I get the joke. Nice, you see? Wie ito bez manoi. The spile genommen een stikkel dampal, huh? Gangen van 613 to 597. Call me. Good morning. How you doing? How you doing? Who is Brooklyn? What do you mean, who is Brooklyn? King of members. The king of the membership. We're going to call him like that. I mean, if he doesn't mind. Nicht, dass will. If he doesn't mind. I didn't block any words. Zach, you played it nice. You played it well. Well played. Well played. Touche. It's not about the first member. Zach. Verwoes, wenn man bringt einen mal auf, meint es, man druckt die einen mal auf. Happy man. Scheint dir zu sehen, du geht morgen, geht morgen. Hello and welcome. What's the story with the wife that he didn't want to... What is that? Let's leave Statuswelt in Statuswelt because it's two different worlds. YouTube is a different world. All right? I was thinking for a while to stop the YouTube. I mean the status just because of the crossover. So let's leave status and let's leave. You know what I mean? It was an off-color joke, a play of words, leaving it up to the to the viewer. Wat ze machen. Warum geht morgen, aber middag man. If he's king, what am I? The queen? Zes water. No. There's ain't no queen. Queen mean machine. Viggy, gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. Okay. I just gotta be patient. 9:09. 21 minutes. To the market open. Congrats, Jack. You will be number Brooklyn. How got gifted. Yes, ik neem eens in de keuken. Waarom je got roped it up in? Waarom je got roped it up in? You want to go to the left to rescue some people? I don't know. I don't know if I'm the right guy. I don't want to be fighting. You know, I'll do my fighting over here. You think the Gaza war? Supposedly hat, wie heißt das? Israel ungeheuben ready preparedness ready or something. 3 brigades or something like that. But ich mein that they're serious. Well, the Hamas guys haben gesagt, dass gehen raus releasen. Andere days, una ganze show. So, let's hope so. Avrumi, welcome. Welcome to the other side of the river. There can be only two kings. Me and Brooklyn are a couple. Okay? Zach, wenn man bringt einen mal auf, meint nicht, man bringt dich herop. It's two different things. Brooklyn. Everything is good? Everything is good. Kann der zurück sagen, der Nummern, you know? Jeder einer ist King, okay? Let's all chillax. Okay? Wow, kijk on this. FMTO. Gebounced darauf. Zie $8. Zurück herop zie 5. Zurück herop zie 8. Zie 9 actually. 8.5. Zurück herop zie 6.5. Zurück herop zie 8. Zurück herop zie 6. Zurück herop zie 9. Wow. Menschen do der like this. Gekauft. Sold. Gekauft. Sold. Gehen wir fahren Rollercoaster. Zach. What's happening? So for wem geht es aber the membership? How does this work? Shia. Shia geworden a member. Hello Shia. Why should I spurt someone that God is not proud of him? Jack, how do you know where God is proud? Are you on an email link? No CS. Hello and welcome. Happy Tuesday. Good morning. How you doing? I don't believe we have a song No CS here. No CS. Welcome. Scheint dir zu sein. Ich gehe machen dann zu free mit Viggy. We gaan. 9:13. 17 minutes bis the market effent off. But it's just financial advice, so please be very careful. Yeah, get their warnings. If you're not doing God's will, then it's obvious. Nope, it's not obvious. Well, thank you. Try to be the best. But because ich mache content. It's a funny Sache zu hören. You're the best. It's like, me? Thank you, Nosida. Darf sich auslernen zu nehmen. Compliments. You always got to learn how to take the compliments. Elaborate more on the words I just said. I would assume yeah, I'm not a king, man. I'm not a king. Alles Gitz hat crowned Brooklyn as the king of members. So I stuck with it because it makes sense. Because Brooklyn really lit up the firework. Zach auch het in zijn eigen right. But Viggy is Lord. Oy vey. Too much power, man. Too much power. Who drags the queen? Huh? Zach, no one drags the queen. Off with your head. Nobody. Brooklyn is the king. Yes. Membership was just cancelled. All right. All right, Zach. Ben Zookman, I hope the door doesn't hit you on the other side. It's a joke. I could also be smart. Smart Elik. You know what I mean? I can ook het the jokes. Zach, you dethroned yourself. Where is my getchka? I try not to have a getchka. I work hard on not having a getchka, to be honest. Ba-da-ba-ba. Ba-ba-da-ba. 9:16. 9:16. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. Maar ook het Jack, want je dan in de mine canvas. Wil je er dat is feel uncomfortable. Dus gelijk was ik. My thoughts are on things, if you know what I'm saying. This is everybody can feel comfortable. Do you have a Nissan? Simcha Raz. Good morning. Shimon Cohen geworden a member. I don't know if he's here or not, but Shimon Cohen. Welcome to the other side of the river. Welcome to the other side of the river. Baupoer. Zach is king. If Brooklyn zoekt dat zo, Mishna Lamelech. Mishna Lamelech. Badam badam. Mishna Lamelech. Mishna Lamelech. Mishna Lamelech. How could I track you down? What was this the matter tracking? What am I doing? What am I doing? He dropped another gift. Yeah. After listening to the deepest news I just heard from the abuse. Lovely. We are friends again. Okay. After listening to Lipa's new CD, I just healed from abuse. Oh, Lord Viggy. Congratulations, we have new members. Yes. Sam, how come this... Ich meine schon die Frage, how come es hat ein die nicht gepickt? I don't know how it picks, but... We are friends again. Oh, that's nice. Viggy ist verkauft von Brooklyn. Was? Weil ich sage, ich bin dankbar. Verkauft. I don't know what that means, but ich verstehe, was meint zu sagen. Oh my God, you called me out. You called me out. Hold on. I see what just happened. Hold on. Ba ba da ba da ba ba da ba ba da bum ba ba da ba ba da bum ba ba da ba ba da bum. One 9:20, 10 minutes to market open. You have a crush? I would never crush Brooklyn. I don't even know his body size. YouTube picks like these attractive people on the channel. Interactive people on the channel. Free country. Not everything is good. Mach noch ein Fahr für dir. Joking. Hat nicht geendigt. Nein, der Oilem hat gesagt, dass boring in. Ich got internet issues, so. Go, go, go. Hello and welcome. Guten Morgen. Hold on, ich darf du besser aufsetzen. Ein Second, Kevin. Kann ich in die Comments. $146. So ich darf es liken bei 2. FMTO. Ja, ich habe es bei $10. I got about $10. Dan kunnen we nog doen een set off. Oké, $1.46 minus equals. We gaan gaan zien $1. Not liking this. Sachen nemen doen we niet. Wacht, dat is opzetten op een andere website. Ba-da-ba-da-da-da. Weil du auf TradingView lässt mir das nicht regnen. Nein, ich habe das du bei 1K. Eight minutes in market open, sagt er. 7 minutes. Thank you, everything good. What we'll review today. In the free usually review ich nicht. Meaning to say is ich stick zu Arbeit. Wat weißt du, ob man hat Gitter tun, sie geht a Kamera an Super Chat. Bin ich like, okay, let's do it, if you get what I'm saying. Nicht, dass ich like pressure, muss ich geben mal Super Chat. I'm just explaining. Nice, Jack. I hope you were nice. $9.24. 6 minutes in the market even. Zach, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you draining a cup? Huh? Stop draining a cup. Think he's going out of control. Yeah, Zach, but do that a minute. Zach, stop. Please, thank you. Asbachkam gebet nice. Well, this is the nice I'm asking. We want to keep it as friendly as possible here. So please. Thank you for understanding. Ba-da-ba-da, ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Lass mich das aufsichern. I say, but it's noch a shooter. It's noch a shooter, but we'll play it. We'll play it, Brooklyn. We will play it.
When did it all start? Well, it all started. Well, it was like just listen.
I meant if 2 gift subs isn't like a super chat, then all right, that's a good point. Well, 9:27. 3 minute. T marker open. Colorful shorts. Hello and welcome. Good morning.
Jeder einer davent immer beten, me wart fahr Mashiach, wird ne kimmen, wenn wir vertrauen.
Line lieber sein Message.
Jeder einer
Ba-da-ba-da,
davent immer beten,
ba-da-ba-da.
me wart fahr Mashiach, will schon kimmen, wart auf dir in mir. Ve'o havtu, ve'o havtu l'rayachu,
Hat von Mashiach wird schon kommen, wir trugen sie pam 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 pam. Parabi pam pam paraba pam paraba. Paraba 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 paraba. No, this is okay. Zach is a bisschen, I guess, I darf sich ausgeben für einen. So we're gonna give him a shoulder. We put on the song to make peace. Ba 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 da, ba 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 ba. Zach, what's got for me in hand the free? What's happening with you this morning? Come on. This is not stirring the pot. This is showing something more. Is there something you want to discuss? You want to talk about? Ba, 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 ba. 3, 2, 1, go. Ba, 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 ba. So please, you know what I mean? It's good music, but it doesn't come in here. I agree. But Zach, Brooklyn has gewollt hören in the background. We're gonna wait until it's done and then we're... It destroys the beauty of the line. All right. All right. Okay, not sure if I would say gekauft. Are those guys from them? Hold on.
Everyone's waiting, wishing, praying for Mashiach. It will only happen when we all get along. Everyone waiting for, wishing, praying for Mashiach. Let's look one another.
It's got me to the gun. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Jack in this. Take a deep breath. Just take a deep breath. That's all you need to do. Come on. Market is open. The meeting is almost done. 3, 2, 1, go. Jack and Zach took the energy pill this morning. Zusammen. Or something. All right, back to the regular scheduled music. Maybe the oilem ze chillaxen, brothers. Der oilem zal chillaxen. We zal relaxen. Para 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 para. FMTO is on hold. FMTO is hold. Brooklyn, don't worry about it. I don't know what's happening. Sometimes you just gotta stay out. Stay out of it. Para 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 para. It's called trolling. Yeah, no, but ze gaat op de nerven. Trolling wijzig, but the problem is, Sam, als macht sich zieh bei 9:15, es öffnet sich auf right über, let's say 10:30. And it's a mess mit my system. Hold it off Arof can a good idea, but I want to be in the. I want to be a part of the, a part of the growth, though. $4.17, about $5.17. Ich try zu traden. So, ich ignore nicht keinen. So, ich suche nicht etwas Major. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-da-ham. Ich bin just an traden. Ich darf es traden mit 2 andere Websites. So, ich habe es Gold aufsetzen. Perfectly. Focus, focus. That's right. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-da. All jokes aside, I love you, Viggy. Not too many people know how to handle me. Listen. Halt dich mich an von sagen etwas. Just because I don't wanna say the wrong thing, you know what I mean? But ich habe schon gehabt Schweres. Scheiße. Geht morgen. How you doing? How you doing? Hello and welcome. You don't want to stare at the path. Ich darf jetzt oben Geduld. Because darf at least darauf gehen zu 507. Jetzt ist es ein Patient Game, Chevre. Wir sind enjoy your day, Colorful Shorts. Thank you. Aber sie ist ein lechtigen Tag, so dass alles gehen geht. Scheiße, wo tut's auch? FMTO. Bucha bucha. Nice. Scheint zu sein. Even not. This will not be the right place. It's long term. It's big boss in here. All right. What do you mean, colorful shorts? Du bist in Panama? Oh, hast du mal rücken for a visit? Huh? No, it's not a patient game. Alles geht's. Geht morgen. Fadi kommst daran, du alles geht's, was du wissen. Zach and Jack are a bisschen overheated. A bisschen wild. So, sidelines, I tell you. If you can't handle the heat, leave the kitchen. Brooklyn drunk. Then I'm stam, yeah. Young and drunk. You know. Hey, gaan we in bij dit? Terug zu mir, yeah? How is it in America? Actually beautiful weather. Nächten in Hand. I see it's other vibes. Yes, it's gaan we eraan in Uder. Gaan we in Uder. Darf noch aufkommen, wenn du wusst, man verstellt sich Piram. Und ob ich habe einen, was kein Lernen in der Megillah. We got the importance now from Israel from America to Israel, yeah. 1 second. Woo! All right. I'm sorry, Kevin. I got it to focus. Winner, winner. Winner, winner. Woo! Okay. Okay. Ich bin zurück. I am back. That was a lot of focus. Although, wir gedaven bleiben du, but the problem is, als I lassen mich nicht raus mit daran. Ich weiß nicht, wieso man geht raus schneller. Und das macht man seine was. Okay, lass mal sehen. Lass mal zurück an today. No, what's the hype today? Ich habe nicht keine Ahnung. Zach and Jack are just being kids. I try not to care about deep down. It still hurts. Don't drink and comment. Makes sense? Airport announcement for all drunk people. Any intoxicated person, please leave the building. Thank you. Wow, it's gegangen auf Halt. But ich bin okay, ich bin happy. Ich bin happy. By the way, Zach, wenn du kommst daran also hart, ich würde es damals sagen, alienates the andere Menschen. I know that you're having fun, but you also need other people to have fun with. And you're alienating other people. So, inside you geht nicht keinem zurückbringen. Verstehst? I'm just saying. So sometimes, wenn man kommt daran, man meint, man ist all fun and games and cute, but wenn man sieht the room, ist es nicht so. Anders geht's, I told you, stay away. Let it go, so wird Gas. Asim breaks. Okay? So please. Jim. Good morning, Jim. Samarana Heverman. JIM. Good morning. How you doing? Let's focus on Trump. Yeah. No politics, Hevra. Things are going left today. It's okay. They'll learn. Jack is a good guy. Nice. Ich habe gesehen ein anderes Video. Es sind nicht du, was sie sehen. Sie sind schlechte Menschen. Sie sind schlechte Menschen. Time to kick them. But ich condone nicht kein Violence. Was meint du es euch? So es ist interessant, als Trading View lässt man nicht verkaufen. I don't know why, but they don't let me sell. Thank you, Zach. Time to take a break, huh? Ich habe nicht keine Ahnung, Jim. Usually the chat is nicht so. I don't know what happened today, but wer hat angelost kindergarten? I'm joking. But violence in nicht geht. You don't get your point across. Nur der, was hat mehr power gewinnt. Sie ist right in nicht. Let's have reason. Let's have discussion. Lass mal reden. We still love the Viggy vibes. Thank you. By the way, Zach, I just want to say, a lot of people are reaching out. As a ink blacken. I'm just saying. Jack in Zach. Jetzt komm nicht heran, fragen, wo es werden wir. Just, please take a breather. 551, 561. Okay. Alles geht's. You shouldn't be saying that. You're egging them on. Why would you say that? It's the wrong thing to say. But yeah, let's keep it. Shivana Mashiach. They should take a backseat. Yeah, but the problem is that the guys are looking to them on a backseat. They will them on a backseat. Them is hot and heavy. You know what I mean? So please. Ich will nicht herauskommen. Sog noch Menschen in der Rim sagen mir, als ich soll ihn blacken. So, for the sake, I want to give you a warning. You know, nicht als Zamin, whoa, but I'm just saying, like, Izzy, geht morgen, how you doing? Wieso ist dann so free? No, but people will haben gehörige Dialog. Stam schreien Sachen, stam suchen Sachen, stam bla bla bla, ich kann suchen. Ich verstehe. You might not understand it yet. But there's selbe reason für die Geist nicht haben eine Conversation mit einer, was ist 15 Jahre jünger wie dir, was ist 8. Ich weiß nicht, wie alt du bist. I'm just saying, because you're gonna look at it like, what are we doing? So, zum schon jeden Tag du Menschen, was kommen heran, man hat eine regular Conversation, man redet von Neues, man redet von Stammer so Sachen, man kann machen eine JOKE, we could have a little FUN, but Stamm schreien Sachen in es ist nicht kein Therapy Session. Für eine Therapy Session habe ich das. Und ich charge Geld für dem. You get what I'm saying? Es ist nicht kein Therapy Session. Wow. Ich hab Stamm schmissen. I do want to take that back. Nothing close to therapy or anything, so I'm just saying. Zach, it's not that serious, Viggy. No. Du wird. Okay, Sam. Ich will mich beruhigen. You got it. Nothing is going on. Zwei Chevron haben mal reingecheckt. Und dann gehen ein bisschen hot and heavy. And people reached out as was? As a sort of black and noisome. But I don't want to get down that road. Verstehe, sag mal, is frustrated. And I will give him a bisschen, you know. I get it. Von unsere Chevra. From the beginning, Chevra. Zach, you do from the beginning. But, you know. Sag mal, can man misjudge a situation. Like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, gelass Geld auf den Tisch. Gelass Geld auf den Tisch. Ich habe gehabt mit einem, Izzy. Einer ist rübergekommen einmal zu meinem Haus. A zweiter hat ihm gebringt. Und tried to machen the first impression. Und ging ein bisschen drunk. And the first impression did not go the way he was thinking it's going. And had got doubled down. Because he didn't know how to back down. So ging also in the first impression hat umgesetzt. So sometimes it loves just beruhigen. Did you fix the lag issue yesterday? Ich habe es, wie heißt das? Ich habe es ausgeplockt und zurück angeplockt haben, so we'll see how that works. Stand to the corner for a few minutes to cool off. Yeah. No, but sometimes somebody doesn't understand what he does. Like, vet så vi hard-headed, med keta kimaran, and, you know. But it's okay, it's okay. We'll it's a learning curve for all of us. Your trip video is wonderful. Thank you, Jim. Really appreciate it. The day is going very well. The day is going very well. Green day of the paper money. Let's not forget. Sally, good morning. Hello and welcome. So far the talk is going well. I know that you're joking, Jack, but sometimes, you guys in the guys comedy show, in the comedian is a bit too vulgar. Like, yeah, we can zoeken alles of comedy, but it's do a line, you know what I mean? Ze do also wie it's okay, like. Sally's in the house. Countdown to Uder. To Adar. De reken maar zoekt als Adar is weer the fun out of a balloon. Uder. Ah, yes. Adar. Cancel. Ich harge jetzt weg, like, halb von Jiddischkeit, huh? Von der Litwische. So we eat a fish. We get dressed. When are you sharing your video you mentioned last night? We are waiting, huh? No, man darf alles geht's. Man darf schicken, kein größer Schloch Monat. You guys being here and having a good morning is the Shloach Monat. So please. $4.20, $5.20, and $6.20. $2. Okay, ich habe gemacht $1. We're good. The overall market, I don't even know. I don't look at the overall market really. So I'm going to dumple, but it's kicked out that it's trying to recover. Bitcoin is down to 87,000. But if it's going to break 86, 85, not financial advice, we'll see you Bitcoin at 74, 73,000. Tiene numbers. Don't know, but I'm guessing. Du weißt, wenn ich bin in einer Stock, sie geht darauf, will ich schon gehen weiter. Like, ich will schon rauskommen, if I'm out of it. Because, gar nicht für den Zweiten. Sie gewähnen eine Kampagne für den Rosh Hashiva, für den Oil? Nein? I have no idea. And even if it would be, I wouldn't know. The Nächten, ich bin kaum ausgehört von, wie heißt der, von Matas, wo sie kommen reden von Parshas Terimu, der nächtige Video. Oh, I definitely gotta do some stretches. Give me a minute. Mother Nature is calling. And some stretches. I'll be back in a second. All right. Ra-pa-ra-ba-ra-ra-pa-ra-ra-pa-ra-ra-ra-ra. Alles good. Stop. Alright. Jetzt sind wir zurück. So, nächten, als ich ausgehört, der Mattes one von Terimo, hat gesagt, als der größte Mitzvah ist es an bei du am Lechaweiroi. Kehren für der Zweiten. So, wenn ich wollte heranhaken dort, und ich wollte suchen man 2 cents. But, Hand kann ich sagen. Man kann nicht wissen, wem man saved. Ich gesucht dort, man so callen einen, die weiß einer, was wart für ein Phone Call, oder hat nicht keinem in die alle Sachen. Ich will touchen auf the point. Ich finde die meiste der Mensch hat ja, der Knacker von Yeshiva. Ist wie, hat alles, hat der Hose, der Car, ist besser wie mir. But you'd never know wem die can save mit a hello. No difference. Hello, a phone call, a text message, hi, I was thinking about you. And by the way, you can save einem auf dem Weg zu, oh, wer will sich nehmen durchs Leben. Und die sagst ihm, hey, what's up? Kannst ihm saven sein life. And you'll never know. Well, we are jumping right into it. Ra-pa-ra-ba-ra-ra-la-la-la-la. Ja, dat is a deep voice. Is fijn. Ba-da-ba-da-da-la-da-li-da-la-la-da-la. Einer hat mir gesagt, dass ich so bringen einen, was kennt nach. A gute Idee von nach. Oder eine versteht die nach. Tenach. Nach. So I'm gonna work on that as well. Alle meine genres do. Dovet, hello. How you doing? Nice, Jack. It looks like Matas is due for a vacation. Ich lass him gehen. Cuckoo packet joke. Go. I'm making a dish called Cuckoo Paka. You have to make it? Comments are coming in delay. It's from Congo. So the Kim Toons are Congonians. Do you want to eat the cuckoo kaka? Makes sense. Jack, have a lovely and awesome day. Be nice to one another. Be kind. Thank you for Duzan. Have a good one. Only one, sadly. Don't wish him two, okay? It's only for today. Don't care what he does tomorrow. Yeah, I'm clear joking. Dish. What kind of dish is it? Yes. Tell us more. Human realist. Good morning. Whenever I say that number, it makes me more happier. I don't know why. I mean, I do know because human realist. I like the idea of a realist. Is a human and is a realist. And I connect with that. It's delicious. It's like an African spice curry chicken dish. Okay, you lost me by curry. You can add eggs too. It's yum. Okay, I gotta try it though. A batch of cooked egg Shabbos because it's you're playing around. Oh, sadly, the rest von Eier Shabbos. You're gonna enjoy. Matas says a story about chunt eggs. Matas is a big Talmud Chacham. He's a nice guy overall. I mean, most of the number ones are. So that's why I asked him if he wants to come. I don't know him. I ken him nicht. But Sakito Zer is knowledgeable. And by the way, when ich sage, is knowledgeable anything, I'm just listening. Sie haben etwas Menschen gesagt, dass he was some information he was wrong this way, he was wrong that way. I don't know. So bei mir is that's why I made one day the comment. Ich höre just aus. Ich bin nicht du zu sagen, bist ja gerecht, du bist nicht gerecht, das ist ja emes, das ist nicht emes. I just let it be. You know what I mean? I let it be, wie kann it be? Wie ist he? He's heartig, yes. He has a good heart. You know, like it's a kwetschter. In the most positive way, I'm saying it. Like a idler. Like, lass mich op. Lass mich leben, mein Leben. I just need this and this and that, but once I have it, betcha. Idle said yes. He's a Satmerer? Yes. I mean, as much as I know, yeah, I can remember. I think I remember him from Chayder. I'm not gonna sagen mit der Breitkeit, als ich denke. But I remember him somewhere, somehow in Chayder. Like the first time I met him, I was like, ich kenn dich, right? Like, his face, maybe he has an older brother that I know. And ich habe gewusst, dass lernt vor, ich bin gewohnt geworden, lernt vor etwas Aschir, whatever. So I was like, hey, would you mind coming over? And gave him a scheine Sache für das Sedre. You know, overall, nicht allein an Sache, such mir nicht, wo sie hin. Just the overall scheine Sachen. And so far, he is not disappointing. He's not disappointing. He's good. In der Mal ist, als jede Woche geht noch ein Sedre. Reset is history? Meaning? Reset is Mashiach, the M word. You know, Sally, as ich habe how do you call, not an aunt, a great aunt. She's a Mashiachist. She picks up the phone. Hello, Mashiach. Mashiach, hello, or something like that. Melech HaMashiach, hello. Auf ihre Invitations pflegt sie schreiben, aber der Chassan is in Israel. Yerushalayim Yachar is mit einer Rebbe, mit Mashiach. But if not, it's that. She had such a devotion. She has such a devotion for that. I had a funny story. Ich bin gewesen in New Orleans, habe bei ihm gewohnt, and I saw two Lubavitcher Bucherim. And yes, I was racial profiling them. Excuse me. So bei ihm gewohnt mit seiner Hittel, mit a couple, whatever, like Lubavitcher, zwei Lubavitcher Bucherim. So I woke up to them like, hey, how you doing? Sie sind nicht gewesen in New Orleans, sie gewesen somewhere else, sie gewesen a conference or something. So sie sichen jeden zu liken Twillen, you know, the Lubavitcher Sachen. So we started talking about it, and ich gesagt, ich komme von Monroe, whatever, ich habe eine aunt. And I don't know how true this is or not, I never really verified it. And sucht mir, as there is such a thing as picture day. Jeden Tag du hast a designated picture von der Rebbe. I don't know if it's their group or a big group or the big, I don't know. And was mir that day's picture. and it's my aunt, great aunt. She has one with a tambourine. It's just like Melech HaMashiach, whatever, and it's a picture of her. It was that day. I was like, hey, that's my great aunt. What a cozy story. And then I kicked them both in the shins. I'm joking. Sally, that was for you, really. Oh, you know that... you know that picture? Oh, well, I can't exterminator, is he? He's like, you have ants? We'll call exterminator. It's famous in the Lubavitch circle? Oh. You should address me differently then. But yeah. Is she Lubavitch from Haim, or we could be related? I don't know. I really don't know when she geworden Lubavitch. I just know that she's Lubavitch for a very long time, like really long time, like not a newcomer. Her name is Koyen. Her sister, I think they lived in America even, and I think when Israel was founded in 1940 something, or later on, they moved up because you know, or something like that to that effect. I'm not sure, but her name is Chavi Koyen. Then I know people were making like fun of her about her, you know, the Melech HaMashiach thing, and I was like, but she's genuine, you know. She didn't hurt anybody. She meant good all the time. So she used to have, I remember, we used to go to her house. She used to have toys. She gave zero. Zero. Whoop. Yeah. The combination of Breslov, Skver, and Lubavitch. So, because the Mashiach, that you're happy for Breslov, Skver is God, and Lubavitch is Mashiach. So you have the trifecta, Izzy. The toys, you know how kids' toys, you press it and Donald Duck pops up? So she broke off all the toys and she put pictures of the Rebbe. So when the kid pressed the button, it opens up. He'd be like, this is the Friedlicher Rebbe, or this is, I don't know how you call the Rebbes. Are you a fan of Jonas and Schwartz? I was a shtickle fan of Jonas and Schwartz, but noch de masse in the stickers, I was a little taken back. I'm a combination of pain, abuse, and hate. I'm sorry to do with the chlachs. It just came out very well. Who are you talking of? My aunt. Yeah, she was, to me, she was very good. I'm saying like, she had a Melech HaMashiach yellow sign outside of her house. Viggy, are you going to the big Achnus Sefer Torah in Skver tomorrow? Oh, deze gewesen the pictures von der Shiel? Man macht Achnus Sefer Torah? Ich bin nicht ganz Skver. Why would I mean, I didn't know that I should go. Maybe I should live stream it. And by the way, Dovet, jeder hat ein bisschen von dem. Jeder hat ein bisschen Pain. Jeder hat ein bisschen das. Skver foi. Nobody's selling you Skver, Dovet. I wish I can super chat you $1 million. Oh, that's nice. I appreciate that, though. Wie sucht man the thought counts? That's so funny, man kann nicht super chat nach thought. So many Toyotas getting born. Yeah. Look at my last name. Ah, I see what you're saying. Okay. Dovet. Makes sense. Ich sehe doch aber nicht wie, like, wenn ich suche Dovet, I don't see that, you know? I would positively love it if you made a video of that. But I'm saying, I should, maybe yes, maybe not. I don't know. Who has a Sefer Torah worth over $10 million? What is this? That will be kukupaka. But I can see, by the way, when you serve kukupaka, I just see a guy walking in like a African guy, low to the ground, and be like, ooh, kukaka, ooh, kukaka, ooh, ooh. It's that type of food coming in with a dish on their head. Awoo. We haven't eaten in 5 days. Let's feast. And somebody munching on someone's leg. Hey! Super chat with the whole... By the way, Sally, if you super chat a 5-whole Canadian dollar, skimtos mit a negative. I have to pay you. Medzain. I don't know. By the way, my phone. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying my phone. I'm not in Michigas. I'm going to change the SIM card. It just stops working. By the way, morgen habe ich scheduled zwei. Eins confirmed, the andere noch nicht. Schmissen, so we'll see. They won't kick you out? No. Actually, Square is ionized, sie Fremde. Jetzt ist Uder. Jetzt kommt Uder in Piram. Ich habe eine Piram-Story von Square. Years ago, a long time ago. In Square geht man von den Gelad, wenn man geht durch Wünschen der Rebbe, der Square in Gelad bekommt man eine Humentasch. I don't know how, ich bin nicht drunk. Somehow bin ich umgekommen zu Square. I don't remember the way there. Man wartet an zu gehen zum Rebbe. Ich stehe dort noch online drunk, how you doing? Man kommt tun, und man sucht mir whatever, und ich suche, ich will eine Humentasch. Und ich bin hingeregt, und I was like, ich stehe dort, und man sucht, geh next, ich nein, ich darf eine Humentasch. Man sucht, man geht das nur für einen Gelad. Ich weiß nicht, ich darf eine Humentasch. Und der Rebbe gave me eine Humentasch. Wie gewissen the Colosseum? Happens to be, ich bin gewesen in the Colosseum. Ich bin gefahren einmal zu Israel, ich habe gemacht einen 13-hour stop, und ich bin nach ihm gelaufen in Rome, because the Colosseum is one of the places where I wanted to go. And whenever I hear of the Colosseum, gehe ich gleich zu the Gladiator, wie schreit, are you guys not entertained? L'chaim. Auch wenn ich gearbeitet für den Messaging Service, by the way, fliege ich eine Sache zusammen bei Square Rebbe, bei der Rebbetzin. She was very nice to me. Fliege aufpicken Sachen von dem Rebbetzin. But then she turned into a vegetable. It was sad. Or maybe she still is. No, she passed away. Do it. I want to send you a super chat, but it doesn't work. Oy vey. And du kann ich auch sagen, oy vey. She was nice to everyone. Yep. My personal experience. The Rebbetzins have like a niceness to them. By the way, Square mention they can't say jokes. They're not funny, but they have good hearts. Then Azayr no. I don't know. So man sagt Herz in sich, mehr wie andere. Viggy, what's your bucket list attraction? Ich will gehen zu Pennsylvania, Sherry Springs Park, meine ich heißt das? The darkest spot of days out in the United States. Ich will gehen zu Mount Rushmore. Ich will gehen zu Mount Washington. Okay, das ist der andere Weg darauf. Ich will gehen zu the Grand Canyon. Ich will gehen zu the Four Corners. Du hast State, wo man kann sitzen auf der Bänkel auf alle 4. Maybe we're doing a see it together. That would be a lot. Just hopefully, Ella kennen kennen me fin a car situation. Biggest hurdle is the car. Go to Disney World in Florida? Nope. Not even a place I want to go even for a second. C'est just a Platz, wie ich kein Happen Pictures in dir suchen, als ich bin gewesen. So, da kann ich schon suchen, als ich bin gewesen. See? I remember Ostreicher, the cookies, the Baba. I used to take their cleaners to like organic cleaners outside of Square. She used to give me like kleine päcklich cookies. Du hast like it was gold. Grand Canyon, yes. In California, LA is Arizona, dort in jene ganze neighborhood. Ich wollte gewollt gehen sehen Area 51, but es ist nicht interessant. Sie kicken und sagen, dort ist es. Wenn man die Gune sehen. Panariraram. Panariraram. Switzerland, yeah. Nope, I've never been to Area 51. I watched a lot of things about Area 51. A few years ago, fliegt man noch kennen raufgehen auf a Bark and sehen Area 51, they moved it up. So man kann schon gut nicht sehen. So es ist echt nicht du, was sie gehen dort fahren, you know? Maybe it is Viggy? Dort hat man gemacht the Thunderbird. The Blackbird, the Thunderbird. SR-71. What a plane, what a plane. The plane geht so hoch, is a bit compressed. So, wenn es landet, hat man es gebaut an einem Weg, man hat es gebaut breiter, is do gaps. So the fuel leaked raus. So man designed special fuel, was nicht flammable, like from fire, like from a cigarette or something. Do Amtrak's. Ooh, get idea, alles gets. In China, there's a lot of interesting stuff. Oh, I'm dying to travel. 2-3 get the super chats, Jim, and I'm on my way. You don't have to ask me twice. Es kommt daran, get the super chats, ich bin auf meinem Weg. Membership, the top tier membership, I'm on my way. Viggy, how about go to KJ? Wo soll ich denn dort? Me and my Schwinn 10 speed. For me, going to Monroe is traveling. Jeder hat travel, wie heißt das? Jeder hat sich levels von travel. David, because you're related to him, kannst du so sehen for free auf YouTube? Joking. I just want to meet all the Jews. That's a lot. That's a lot to meet. We'll definitely look into that. Brooklyn noch halt, du? Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-da-da. Just imagine Brooklyn emphatic. No, I'm not here. Okay, 10:25. I made 8 pounds of grain-free granola yesterday, and I have a picture to prove it. Obviously, you need a picture, otherwise it never happened. You know? One second. Sally, what are you doing? Thank you. What are you? Thank you, Sally. I was trying. Sam Lebo hat rausgeholfen. Sam was like, chill, so I chilled. But I was trying to, you know. Everybody needs a space sometimes, a shoulder. We are a big shoulder. Everybody helped out together. Now, sag mo, when einer kommt heran, especially, we know them. When I say we know them, I'm saying, it's nicht der erste Mal. You get what I'm saying? So, by the way, alles geht. Now you only have to send in $900,998 for the $1 million super chat. How much is it in US dollars? I have to send back money. That's how much it is. One second, I'm working for tomorrow. $10.30. Can we make it on $10.30? I can buy one sour straw. You got 75 cents. Google nimmt up 30%. I believe so, 30, something like that. Okay, wir machen sicher, dass alles ist charged. So morgen habe ich back-to-back. Back-to-back habe ich. So tomorrow's morning is going to be a very short live. Because I want to be ready. No. So it's not bad. It's all good because they're giving me a platform, Zati and Alos. So it's not like that's how it goes. Like, don't take it as in es ist steep, aber sie geben eine ganze, eine ganze Plattform and stuff like that. Hast du schon gesehen? YG. Good morning. Ich kann einfach machen dann Kaffee mit Viggy. I see bigger creators, like in the outside world, they have a website, like different websites wie Menschen schicken an Geld. Oder schickt man straight rüber zu a quick pay, but people like when it comes up, so there's other websites. But I'm not up there yet, Okay, tomorrow will be a short live. But also English, Yiddish. Darf reden, was ich darf reden. I can only talk what I need to talk, you know? There's alles geht's. Suchst es immer. We got you. We got you. Okay, mit kicken auf the ticket später. Like Martha said sometimes, you give tzedukah without money. Yes. Not only do you give tzedukah without money, sach mehr Geld. Much more wert von Geld. Hello. Viggy's my Roma. Jim. Way too much. But I appreciate it. But ich bin auch faulty. Okay, Jim? Ich bin wat fin perfect. Bei ihm sucht man de watse Sache von a human is the back of his head. Meaning to say is, there's always work to be good, to be better. Viggy put Sally super chat towards MTech 48. Yes, that's what I was looking for. Darf machen a ganze trip itinerary. Ich bin schon gefahren von New York zu maybe I'll do it again. To Niagara Falls. But maybe we'll go the other way. Escher up to Florida. Oh wow. Come on, Florida. Because I have friends in Florida was I can go and visit. From New York to Busy. Thank you. Okay, so alright, Gebra. It's 10:34. Darf sich umgereiten für den Tag. So morgen, I'm just letting you guys know, morgen guys on a short live in the free because I have to set up. Ich habe back-to-back morgen schmissen. We'll see if it comes out or anything. So, ich will zusammen am live von 9 bis 10. All right. I think we're going to be closing today. Nicht jeden Tag ist lang, nicht jeden Tag ist kurz. Every day is a good day. Have a lovely, awesome day. Yes. Alright, Chevra. Sie gekommen der Zeit, sich zu scheiden. To say goodbye. It's never, never easy. Ich will sagen, ich kann euch für jeder eine, was ist du gewesen. Für eine kurze Zeit, für eine längere Zeit, für die ganze Zeit. Ich will sagen, thank you for the ones, die mir umgezogen auf eine Tab. Und auch dafür gemacht mit you, Tab. Talking to you, Brumi. Thank you for alle Likers, Sharers, Commenters. I was trying to control the situation, alles good, but we handled it. Thank you all the members, the Naya members, welcome. Thank you Sally for the super chat. I really, really do appreciate it. Housekeeping, hand 8 Zeiger live. Ich darf noch sehen, wo ich reviewen. Ich darf mich, new members, yes. Some of them became 9 members. Brooklyn and Zach haben angeschossen members. Sometimes you have to remember, as when einer kommt daran hot and heavy, you just have to let him air out. Sometimes we are the shoulders. So, appreciate everybody being here. Thank you again. Others noch nicht geliked the video. Please consider liking the video. Wer a subscriber, hit subscribe. And that you can be a member. Become a member. It really helps out. Jim. And I have man. Jim. Long time listener, first time caller. Thank you for being here. All right. Until next time, be kind to one another. Peace. See you tonight.